Python itself has lots of modules, functions and classes, and one of them is Bisect. Today I will show you why you should use Bisect and where you should use it. So let's start. I will import Bisect library. So import Bisect. And what is Bisect? Bisect is a library which allows you to insert a value in an array without changing the order. For example, we have an array A, so list A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. What if I need to insert value B, which is equals, for example, let's remove 4, and I need to insert 4 in my array A without changing the order of my array. So my array must stay in ascending order, so 1, 2, 3, then 4. How do I find the position when I should insert a 4? We can do it with bisect, so bisect dot. So these are functions, and bisect left is a function which shows us where we can insert our value, and if we have duplicates, for example we have 4 here, 4 then 5, our bisect left will show the position before that duplicate, bisect right after that duplicate, and bisect as bisect is just a bisect right. What I need to do here is print all of them, so print, and first of all, in every function we should provide iterable, so in our case it's a list A, and then value, which will be inserted. So AB, bisect left, bisect right, and bisect just show us the position where we should insert our value. So let's start, and it says 3, 4, 4. As you can see, our 4 duplicate here is on the position 0, 1, 2, 3, and bisect left returns the position depending on the duplicate, so it returns the position before duplicate. But bisect right and bisect, and as you can see in bisect module, bisect is just renamed bisect right for contraction, and because of that bisect right and bisect return 4, so after our duplicate. Okay, and what we can do here is let's insert our value 4. So what I will do is a dot insert. We should provide first of all index, so bisect dot just bisect, let's use bisect dot bisect, and then a and value x, and then again we should provide value b, not x. So what I do here, I use function bisect to find the position of b in array A without changing the order, and then in the array A I insert value b in the position which was returned by bisect function. And that's easy. Okay, now let's run, and as you can see it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything works fine, and we can do it with every number. And now let's insert 4, and as you can see here 1, 4, so it inserts perfectly, but that's look a bit messy. And what we can do with bisect module, we can simply bisect in, but not insert, but insort. So we will insert in our array. And again we should provide first of all array, so A, and then we should provide value, so B. Again, insort function inserts value B in array A without changing the order of an array A. And now let's run. As you can see, the same result. Okay, and in bisect module we again have insort left and bisect insort right. And we have insort left and insort right. So insort left again inserts a value before our duplicate if we have duplicate, and insort right inserts after duplicate if you have duplicate. But I just use insort when I need to insert a value without changing the order, and it works fine. And what will happen if we mess up our array? So as you can see 1, minus 3, and so on, our array is messed up, it's not sorted. What will happen? So how bisect works? Let's have a look here. So let's find what? Insert right, and many programmers can notice that binary search algorithm is used here, and that's how bisect works. So insort will have O big as logarithm from n, and if you don't know, you can watch my video about big O. Again, bisect left, bisect right, and so insort left work really fast and really quickly because of the big O of their algorithm, because again all of them use binary search. I think that's all. So the main problem with our A, if it's messed up, What's the problem? We cannot pass unsorted array to a binary algorithm because that's the requirement of binary algorithm, first requirement. And because of that, what I can do here is just write a.sort or write sorted from a. And the main interesting thing about Bisect Module, so in many languages, when we need to insert a value in an array without changing the order, we need to sort array again. So many programmers will just append the number and then sort array again with built-in algorithms. But in Python, we can use Bisect Module to do it quickly. And as you know, Python is a very slow language, and Bisect insort works really fine and fits Python. Actually, that's all. Good luck!